We're back with Art Moorhead here. We had a little bit of a technical difficulty, but let's just give everybody an update on the painting itself. This is the actual restaurant, McCabe's Irish Pub and Grill, and you can see that this is the artistic rendering, and you can definitely tell that's what it is a picture of. And this is really still rough and in development. And we're talking about color study and the power of different colors. And you can see down here that he's got all kinds of different paints going on. And maybe you can explain a little bit about color theory as how it relates to this particular work right here, if we kind of look at it from that angle.
Right now what I got is I got my I've got the blocking in,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm starting to add shadow. You add your shadows first, and then you come in and you start adding highlights, and then that's what's really going to make it pop. It's going to give it some realism. It's just a basic progression of lights and darks of the original color that you mix. All these different colors and stuff are at some point or another different values of these colors that I'm using. And in order to get to the darks and lights, you just add complements, and that's what the color study is for you to choose your palette. And then once you know your palette, then you can replicate the actual painting.
Wow, that is fascinating. Now, what kind of paints are you using here? Are these just standard watercolors that I can buy at Walgreens or something, or
No.
you're probably not? But I mean, just give us the inside scoop.
These colors are actually made by Golden. They're a product called Proceed, and they're a slow drying fluid acrylic, which is kind of translucent. They're not like a heavy bodied thick paint, and they're very nice to work with, and I found that they work very well for what I do for my studies, and they work very well for murals, even though I do work with heavier bodied acrylics for more pastel type painting. But these here are a lot easier to use, a lot quicker to use, and they're just...
Are you worried about them drying out at all, or?
No, not at all. I've been outside most of the day, and these are still wet. I mean, I use a what's called a stay wet palette, and it actually has a sponge that you dampen, and you put the palette paper over it, and it actually keeps the paint from drying out. It's a trick. It's a trick a lot of people don't know about, and it does work quite well. You take a little misting bottle, mist over it, keep the tops of them dry, and it works quite well. I mean, I just started using Proceeds, and they work very well.
Great, great. Well, thanks for spending a little bit of time with us this afternoon. We'll let you get back to painting this piece, and we look forward to see the finished product. Thanks, Art.
Okay, you're welcome.